Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to add an admin on your Facebook page. Sometimes it can happen like you're growing faster and you cannot manage or control the page yourself, and you would like to get a couple of people to help you on the project, sometimes to answer questions, to post new images, to post new advertisements, to make changes on the page, like to improve the page, also to run your ads. A lot of things might happen, and you would not maybe manage to do it alone. So what you have to do is you have to put an administrator on your page, or an editor, whatever you want to do. You can add a person based on what you would like him to do for you or her for you. So you must have a Facebook page also, and also prepare your password, because you're gonna be asked for the password. So log into your Facebook now and look for that page, or you click on pages, and you get your page. You click on that page. You want to do what? You want to edit. You can see everything here. So we can be looking now for settings. You can click on page settings. Once you're there, then you can look for page roles. When you're in that section, you click on page roles, and you can see here assign a new role, and also existing page roles. Jump to section. You can click there to see what's going on. We have two admins. We have Ketele Gumede, and also we have this, and also we have this. Okay, we have three people here. So now you can edit and change this person if you want to, and also you can edit and change this person if you want to. You can change that person from an admin. You make him to be moderator, or you can make that person to be editor, or analyst, or advertiser, whatever you want to do. So you can do that to that person, then you save. In case you want to sign a new person here, then it's gonna ask you for the password. That's why I was telling you that you must have your password. You save that. Also it says sorry, something went wrong when updating this role. Let's see, try again. We say analyst. Something is going wrong with Facebook. Let me just refresh and try again. Okay, let me try that. You can see it worked. It wanted me to just to refresh. And if you change somebody's role, he might get a message, but he doesn't need to approve. But if that somebody is new, you're gonna give him a new role, he has to accept the role you're giving him. And once he accepts, he's gonna come here. I'm gonna look for somebody here, then I try to do what, to put that someone, and I see if I can. Let me see, editor. I can put that somebody as an editor, or as an admin, whatever I want to, but let me try as an editor. But I can put that somebody as an admin if I want to. It says you are adding a new admin to your page. Please bear in mind that you will have the same permissions as you do to make changes to this page. Okay, you can see, you have to read here, and also you say can manage all aspects of the. It simply means an admin can manage all aspects of the page. They can publish and send messenger messages as the page okay, as the page. Respond to and delete comments on the page. Post from Instagram to Facebook. Create ads. See who created a post or comment. View insights and assign page roles. Okay, if an Instagram account is connected to the page, they can respond to and delete comments. Send direct messages. Sync business contact info and create ads. So you can see, oh, this is what the person is gonna do, an admin. So if you go to an editor, they'll say can publish content and send messages, messenger messages as the page respond to and delete comments on the page. Create ads. See who created a post or comment. Post from Instagram to Facebook and view insights. If an Instagram account is connected to the page, they can respond to and delete comments. Send direct messages, sync business contacts info and create ads. The editor can do only this. You see, remember that the admin can also give page roles to other people. So this is the difference now. So if you can see, go to moderator. A moderator can send messenger messages as the page, respond to and delete comments on the page. Create ads. See who created a post or comment and view insights. If the Instagram account is connected to the page, they can respond to Instagram comments and direct messages and create ads. You can see that's what they do. Also, advertiser, let's see the advertiser, what they do. They do simple things. They say can create ads, see who created a post or comments and view insights. If an Instagram account is connected to the page, they can create ads. You can see they cannot respond to messages or create page roles, these ones. You can also see the analysts. They do less because they say can see which admin created a post or comment and view insights. You can see they do less things. So you can see each and every tab here shows you how much power the person is gonna have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to add an admin here, and they say type name or email address. So I'm gonna look for that person on Facebook, then I add that person. But if you have the email address, you can put that email address for that person. So I'm gonna look for that person this side and see if I can get that person. I'm gonna search this side. Okay, I've got that person this side. I'm gonna get that person and I'll copy that person and put this person here, and I'll try to look for the person. This is the person. I add that person here, and I'm gonna be asked for my password again. It's gonna be okay. Once I put the password and I say yes, it says it sent the admin. This person is pending. So I'm gonna go talk to this person, and this person, if he approves, then he's gonna see, he's gonna be an admin here. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, maybe seconds. This person is gonna approve, then we see. Once he approves, we're gonna just refresh. It's gonna be like these ones. It's gonna approve. Let's refresh. see the person has approved now is one of the admins of this page. So simply means this person can do anything all admins do. You get me? So guys, I think this video is helpful to you guys, and if you have something to say or to ask, please do give us put some comment in the comments box below. So this is the way you create an admin or an editor or whatever you wanna do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.